In this video, we will talk about SQL exists operator. So here in the employees table, you can see we have the employee number column and the first and last name of the employees. And here coming to the salaries table, we have the employee number column. And here we also have the salary column, from date and to date columns. Okay. Now I want to find out the salaries of the employees and their first and last name. So how can I do that? I have to just click on this edit button to write the query. So here I will write a query. Select first underscore name, last underscore name, and salary. Then here I will write from employees, comma, salaries. But here I have to also specify the relation between these two tables, and that is employees.emp number is equal to salaries.emp number. Okay, let me run this. So you see, for each of the employees, we get the salaries. Okay. Definitely each employee has multiple salaries because of the duration of the salary. So every year there is a hike in the salary. That's why we have multiple records. Okay. Now I want to find out all of the employees who are getting salaries more than 100,000. So what can I do is I can here slightly modify this query by writing a AND operator and then salary is greater than 100,000. Okay, I will run this query. So here I get the results. Okay, now I will show you the usage of exists operator to get similar result. Okay, now let me remove salary from here. I will just use first name and last name, and let me just run this one. So here you see we are getting duplicate results still. Okay, now I will show you the usage of exists operator. What I will do is here I will write select first name and last name from employees. I will write where exists. Okay, exists is the keyword, where exists, and then within parenthesis, like we write a subquery, here I write select star from salaries where, and here also I have to specify the relationship where employees.emp number is equal to salaries.emp number, and here using the AND operator I have to specify the same condition, that is where salary is greater than 100,000. Okay, now I will run this query. So now you see we get first and last name of all of the people who are getting salary more than 100,000, and you also see there are no duplicates. So that's how you can make use of exists operator.